Just joining us, we have breaking news now. We do know a verdict is in the Tracie Hunter trial. All the verdicts apparently, because there was one verdict that was in on Friday. The judge sealed that. Jurors ready to render their decision. Okay, people are being asked to stand. Apparently, we believe now that the jury is probably walking into the courtroom. Is that correct? And we do certainly have people. We have reporters and a photographer in the courtroom, obviously. We're not allowed to show you the jury, but they are walking in at this time. This is Judge Norbert Nadel's courtroom. He told the jurors on Friday to get back to work. He wanted a decision. He said that no jury would be able to make a better decision than this jury because they have heard all the testimony.
Of the jury and also the alternates.
Let's listen in.
You may be seated. And you have sent the court a note indicating that you other than count 6, which you had previously rendered a verdict on, you're unable to reach a unanimous verdict on the rest of the counts. And you sent me that. Is that correct? Oh, yeah.
That is correct. Okay.
And Harlow, let me give you that. You can make that part of the record. Okay, let me just ask you this. It's customary for the court to inquire if there's a possibility of reaching an agreement within a reasonable time, in this case, a unanimous verdict. The court will therefore submit this question to the foreperson with instructions that the answer be either yes or no, and do not disclose any other information nor indicate the status of your deliberations. And my question to the foreperson is there a possibility that after an additional period of time, today or even tomorrow, that you may reach a unanimous verdict on the remaining counts other than count 6? Okay. Very well. What we will do now, I understand that. What we will do now is I will ask Mr. Tidd, our clerk, to read the verdict which you previously rendered, and you were polled on that. And I'll ask Harlow, Mr. Bloom, if you'll open that envelope and hand the verdict to Mr. Tidd, who then will read the verdict. It's been previously entered, but he'll again read the verdict as it will be reported.
Please the court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we will now hear your verdict read as this court will order it recorded. Verdict, count number 6. We, the jury, in the issue joined, find the defendant, Tracie Hunter, guilty of having unlawful interest in a public contract, RC 2921.42A1, as charged in count number 6 of the indictment.
Okay, thank you very much. Harlow, this verdict has been previously entered, but we'll give that to you to enter that as part of the record. Okay. Very well, ladies and gentlemen, that will end your service in this case, and I just might tell you that you were absolutely super. I realize that you could not agree on the remaining counts, but you did agree on one count, for which we thank you.